Grace and peace bazalwane, greetings. Ngiyanibingelela nonke egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Sembonga uNkulunkulu ke bazalwane kakhulu. Kuyaphuthuma ke sengithi awuthi ngenze le video le ngiyenze ngale phone so ayingazi nakuba ndizokuvakala kakuhle na or kanjani. Yes. Siyambonga kakhulu ke uNkulunkulu bazalwane, kuhlezi kuyintokozo kakhulu ukuthi sibe nabantu abanjengani, before nje ngizokhuluma nje into engifisa ukuyikhuluma manje, ngicela uku-appreciate bonke abazalwane. Nkosi yami, yazi kunabazalwane, inqwaba yabazalwane bala abasibukelayo, genuine bazalwane, genuine saints abasibukelayo la, uNkulunkulu abathinta ngendlela emangalisayo, abathinta ngendlela ezihlukahlukene for them, ukuthi each and every guest efikayo la esuke ikhuluma isitori sayo, ikhuluma about isimo sayo, there are people abayisukumela ngendlela emangalisayo, and some of them they go far to an extent ukuthi angixhumani ngokuxhumana nabo, angazani ngokwazana nabo, abangazi bangazela in a distance, maybe mhlawumbe abanye, kodwa uthola ukuthi into yabo bazoyibamba ngezandla zombili, bayithathe serious. You know what bazalwane, ngithanda ukuna appreciate kakhulu for the love that you give kuwona wonke ama-guest afika la ngezitori ezahlukahlukene. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bazalwane. Maybe ngiyazi ukuthi nabo bayabonga, bayanibonga kakhulu izinto enisuke nimenzela zona, nami I feel ukuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye benu asinawo nama-number for each other, kodwa ngicela ukunibonga nonke bazalwane, ngicela ukunibonga nonke, even abazalwane ke also those who are partnering with our ministry, ukuthi siqhubeke senze umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu ngendlela ezahlukahlukene. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngithi mangifaka la kokunye kube khona abazalwane, I don't know, maybe ngizothi baba discouraged or what something. Tell me about izinto zokuthi when I do kind of work I should not announce njalo njalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi bazalwane kuliqiniso lokho, bengikhothela uMateyu chapter 6, kuliqiniso lokho futhi bazalwane, angikuphiki. Akekho umuntu ongaphula iscripture, you know. As much as I'm a believer, I'm a born again child of God, but when ngenza lo msebenzi okaso kokunye, as much as ngumzalwane, ngiwenza as an ambassador, and futhi ngiwenze as a representative ye community, and this is salokho kusuke ku-encourage nabazalwane to see the need of partnering with us kwi-ministry yethu. Nabanye abazalwane, khona abanye abazalwane uthola ukuthi basuke benikelile, and lokho kuyaba-encourage ukubona umsebenzi uqhubeka. Kwesinye isikhathi nje, number one, umunye ngiyazi ukuthi uzoba nento ukuthi why ungathumeli kubona, ngithumele kubani? Uma kukhona umuntu ovele nje athumele imali thizeni, let me say kunomuntu ovele wangithumelela, let say ovele wangithumelela 5,000, and lo muntu lo yangimazi, wangayiveza naye, wangafaka even ne-reference laphana. So there is no way yokuthi ungathi mase wenza into kanjena uthumele kubona, awumazi umuntu, uthi into uNkulunkulu wanikela kwi-ministry yakho, maqede wena enza kumsebenzi ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uthinte izimpilo zabantu ngendlela ongazithinta ngayo. There is no way ukuthi ngathumela kubona abantu, ngoba umuntu ovele wanginikelela engangazi, athi nje mali ihambe ivangeli, and then mina I see the need ukuthi ngihambe ngiyosiza abanye abantu ngendlela ezahlukene, and mabebona umsebenzi neminikelo yabo iqhubeka lokho, it also even encourages them ekuthenini ukuthi wow, my offering or my gift ayiwelanga kwi-drain. But I'm not here for that for today bazalwane bami. Ngiyaxolisa nje kulula ngingakakhulumi ngento engiyizelela namhlanje. into engizeleke bafowethu nansi kunosisi okwafika la igama lakhe nizomkhumbula igama lakhe uZiyanda wakwaDlamini sharing about her painful story bazalwane. The lady she got rejected by her family, wazithola esesestradini. Ngizozama ukuyisummarize nje if akwazi uyibona leyo episode. Wazithola esesestradini and yonke into, I'll quote her, ukuze akwazi ukusurvive she will have to look ukuthi ubani umuntu angalala naye ukuze akwazi ukuthi athole indlela yokuphila. Ufuna uqamba manga leyo nto leyo ingihithe different in my heart. Ingishaye ngendlela ehlukile enhlizweni yami. As a result ukuthi now uhlala nabantwana bakhe abayi4. She ended up by having 4 kids. 4 kids ahlala nabo. Okay, yeah, no, it's fine. Ngoba wabusho nakho lokho it's okay. Now she's staying with her 4 kids. Akasebenzi, uphila ngokudayisa. Nasesikoleni nogcina ngaqedanga. Maybe nje for full details, I would advise ukuthi go and watch that episode. Isimo sakhe asikho sihle bafowethu. Ngifuna uqamba manga isimo sakhe asikho sihle. Uyabona umuntu makuzophela inyanga njalo kumele enze plan ukuthi irent ikhokha ngani, abantwana bayangana esikoleni, njalo zonke lezo zinto lezo-ke. Bazalwane, ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abasesimeni abadinga usizo, abadinga ukulekelelwa ngezindlela ezahlukahlukene. Baningi abantu abasezimeni ezahlukahlukene abadinga ukuncediswa. But ipoint lami lilana ngabafowethu. Istory sikasisi singithinte ngendlela ehlukile. Ngaze ngamthembisa nalaphana kwi episode ukuthi ngizomvakashela. By the way ke ngileke kwakhe la hlala khona nini ngile la hlala khona yesterday. Yes, so ngile hello mama. Yes, ngileke la ahlala khona yesterday njoba ngimpromisile ukumnikeza ukuthi ngithenge igrocery ukuze akwazi ukuthi akwazi ukubuka ukuthi yini enyanga yenza, mhlawumbe ukuthi this month akayithenga igrocery akwazi ukuthi ahlanganise ezinye izinto. Into engizoyicela ke la bazalwane bami, sizamile ukwenza i-episode naye even lapha endlini encane nje. Isizathu saleyo interview leyo bokuthi akwazi ukushare ama details wakhe, ukuthi utholakala kanjani, because ngalela la kanti kwashiya nje washiya what to call ama social platforms kuphela, wangashiya ama contacts njalo. So interview yethu ke sizamile ukuyenza isitha nje sivele manipulate our equipment, vele yangazwakala, you see. So bengicelile kule interview yakhe ukuthi ashiya ama details wakhe, such as cell phone number, account number, kulona ofisayo ukuthi anganikela bafowethu. Kuloyo ofisayo anginquma imali ukuthi nikela ngamalini kuyena, kulo ofisayo whatever amount that you can give just to help that woman athole a survival, more especially nje for abantwana bakhe. Bafowethu, ngiyayazi into yokuba sesimeni ufise sengathi nje noma ngasadlanga lutho ke mina kodwa kudla abantwana. But ke it even hit hard uma bona befika sebezokukhalela bafuna nje into okuhle lapho uthotha una plan. Lo yasisi she's alone bafowethu, she uye nje. So bengithi ngizomcelela nje la, abona u10 wakho mawuhlangana no10 wami, uhlangana no10 walo yamzalwane, uyawukhanda u30, siyaphuma isinkwa lapho. Ngizomcelela bafowethu. Inamba yakhe ke nansi ngoba i-interview yethu iyalile ukuthi idlale. inamba yakhe nansi 067 933 4058 067 933 4058. And then on the issue kunento nje ifika la ngqondweni yami on that issue bazalwane kulokho enisuke nikubona enisuke ngikuposta nje maybe it's just 10% of what I'm doing ukuthi ezinye zezinto bazalwane I choose not to post them but ezinye zazo ngeke ngiziposte just to encourage abazalwane to see the need of giving okanye babone ukuthi yini singayinikelela. I respect each and every cent, each and every offering yabazalwane. Yikho engiyithatha kancane. Hence ngizama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi babone ukuthi yini eyenzakalile, yini engiyenzile okanye yini engiyenzayo. Yabona bazalwane bami. So uNkulunkulu ke siyamdumisa kakhulu bafowethu ngalokho. So into engizama ukuyisho ke ukuthi lokho engijela ukubona and into ngiyibalekele futhi I don't believe. Okay, it's my conviction bazalwane. Mina when ngiyangibona kukhona ama NPO yama organizations athile uthola ukuthi mhlambe benza ama distribute ama food parcels, akekho ngamgxeka ngithi wenza wrong mayenza so, wenza right mayenza so. Ngikholwa ukuthi abanye abantu banikela just because bayakwazi nathini, bayayazi pain yokungabi nakho. So that is why kubona iba khona lento yokunikela. More than anything bafowethu, I might not be good kwezinye izinto, but I believe in giving. I believe in giving. I believe in giving. I believe ngiyakholelwa ekunikeleni. Ngiyakholelwa emnikelweni. Akusiyona yonke iminikelo engiyivezayo, but iminikelo engiyivezayo kusuke ukuthi ngi-encourage someone ukuthi naye abone isidingo, and ang-encourage wena ukuthi ubone isidingo sokunikela kumina. Kodwa I'm also even encouraging you to see the need of giving even to others. Life is not about me and giving is not about me, but I'm also encouraging someone to see the need of giving. Kukhona lo yamakhelwane wakho onezingane ezinokumkhalela uthothi zimkhalela nje ushoda ngokudla. Kukhona lo yamama loyana odayisa something lapha ngakini, okwenye odayisa something lapha edolobheni ohlezi umbona njalo moya emsebenzini. Just that giving nje, just that giving. Kwesinye isikhathi I think lento lena yokuthi Nkosi yami bengafuni le video ngizoyenza eceleni le video about this thing of giving. But I think abantu abaningi bethu babe nento ukuthi I give just because I want something. Bafowethu, when you are a giver, ugcina usufinyelela kwi-dimension whereby ungasanikeleli ukuthi maybe mhlawumbe you want something in return. Kodwa usunikelelwa nje ngokuthi kunale peace that cometh after giving. Kunale peace ongeke uyithole ndawo oyithola after giving. You see, yabona bafowethu, Nkosi yami athi ngiyeke sizoyikhuluma kahle. I'll make another video about this thing, but nje into bengizoyigcizelela bafowethu into kadadewethu uZiyanda wakwaDlamini. Ngiyacela bafowethu, if you can do something for that woman, if you can do something for her, if khona mhlambe nomuntu ongaba nomsebenzi, you know ngibona abantu abaningi basizakela abazalwane baSinkosi yami, basizakela abantu abaningi through this platform, basizakele abantu abaningi through this platform. There are people abathola imisebenzi after coming here for interviews. There are people, even number of bafowethu, I've helped a lot of people. Sometimes I even ask myself, why Barcelona? Do I look like a millionaire or what something? You see, I've sponsored a lot of people. a lot of people.